Welcome to the driver's seat. You are looking at the $112,000 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor-R. Ford invented this segment with the first Raptor about 10 years ago, and that had two different V8 options. For the second gen, they went to a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost, but it just didn't have that growl. So a couple of years ago, they decided to bring back the V8, and that's what you're looking at here, the Raptor-R, and it is a beast. What they did is take a 5.2 liter V8 engine from the GT500 and they tuned it a little bit different for lower torque. That vehicle gets 760 horsepower. This 700 with 640 pound-feet of torque made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now they did all this because Ram had the TRX and Ford just wasn't going to have any of that. And I think this Raptor-R is more capable and better looking and a lot more fun. So we brought you here to the Anza Borrego Desert in Southern California. This is where truck companies like Ford, Chevy, and Ram come to test their vehicles to really see how capable they are. And you could just see miles and miles of nothing but fun. You can off-road here for weeks and weeks. A lot of people are doing some camping, some RVing, and they're bringing their toys with. They're going to take you for a little off-roading, then some on-roading, and then we'll wrap it up. Effortless power. 700 horsepower, my God, 640 pound-feet of torque. This is a beast, and keep in mind that this has an aluminum body, so it's a relatively light truck to begin with. So much capability built into one truck. Really can go anywhere, do anything, and because they made the interior so upscale, but not too upscale, but you got Alcantara everywhere, contrast stitching, carbon fiber on the dash, nice orange accents, just a home run. We mentioned the drive modes, everything from slippery, tow haul, sport, normal, off-road, Baja, rock crawl, so all the options. You know, Ford's kind of gone back to, I think, simplifying their IP instrument panel. They've done a great job with that. Plenty of tons of storage, cup holders, whatever, but that's all F-150s really. I just think they did an incredible job with this. Oh, you curious about fuel economy? Yeah, we're getting about 9.5, 10. But nobody buys a Raptor-R for fuel economy. You buy a Raptor-R because even when you're cruising along at 80 miles, 75 miles an hour, you punch it and it delivers. Really hate to give this one back, but all good things must come to an end. For a big truck, it actually handles quite nicely. And when we go into the sport mode, it automatically puts it into 4 high. That's primarily for acceleration, but also for situations like these where you get some dips in the roads, sharp turns. The suspension on these Raptors is just impressive. A lot of travel. Obviously that's ideal for Baja style or off-roading, but it also comes in handy here. Well, that's a wrap from Anza Borrego in Southern California. Love the Raptor-R. If you don't love this truck, then you don't like trucks. This is the top of the heap. If money was no object, this will be my driveway. That's my only complaint about this truck is $112,000, a bit much, but you get a lot of truck and it turns a lot of heads. And if that's what you're intending to do, you got it. I want to point out something. I see on the side and on the hood, you see this graphic, and there's a bunch of 8s in there. That's to distinguish this from the regular Raptor. The 8 is for the V8, obviously, and I think it's a nice styling cue. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.